Ever wondered which side hustles actually work? My friends and I have tested 15 side hustles for 2024, and we're here to share what really pays off. From online gigs to creative ways to earn extra cash, we've done the legwork so you don't have to. Whether you're looking for something quick or a side hustle that could turn into a full-time income, we've got you covered. And make sure to stick around until the end for a bonus tip on how to maximize your earnings. First up, freelance writing. It's one of the most flexible side hustles, and here's why it's still a top choice for 2024. Freelance writing is perfect if you enjoy writing and want to work on your own terms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and even specialized platforms like ProBlogger connect you with clients who need content. Whether you're writing blog posts, articles, or copy, for websites, you can work from anywhere and set your own rates. Start with smaller projects to build your portfolio, and as you gain experience, you'll attract higher-paying clients. Tutoring is another tried-and-true side hustle. If you excel in a particular subject, you can turn your knowledge into cash. Tutoring is in high demand, especially online. Platforms like Tutor.com and Wisent make it easy to find students who need help in subjects like math, science, or languages. You can set your own hours and rates, making it a flexible option. Plus, tutoring reinforces your own knowledge while helping others succeed. Want to run your own online store without handling inventory? Dropshipping could be the side hustle for you. Dropshipping lets you sell products online without having to manage inventory. You create an online store, list products from suppliers, and when a customer buys something, the supplier ships it directly to them. Websites like Shopify make it easy to set up your store, and you can choose from millions of products to sell. The key is finding a niche and marketing your products effectively. Love animals? Pet sitting and dog walking are side hustles that let you earn while spending time with furry friends. Apps like Rover and Wag connect you with pet owners who need someone to care for their pets while they're away. Whether it's walking dogs during the day or pet sitting on weekends, this is a flexible and fun way to earn extra cash. Plus, you can set your own hours, making it easy to fit into your schedule. Got a knack for crafting? Turn your creativity into income by selling handmade crafts online. Etsy is the go-to platform for selling handmade crafts. Whether you're into jewelry, art, or homemade candles, you can set up an online shop and start selling. Quality photos and detailed descriptions are key to attracting buyers. You can also promote your products on social media or at local craft fairs to boost sales. Spend a lot of time on social media? You can turn that time into money by managing social media accounts for businesses. Many small businesses struggle with their social media presence, and that's where you come in. As a social media manager, you'll create content, schedule posts, and engage with followers to help businesses grow online. Start by reaching out to local businesses or using platforms like Fiverr to find clients. With experience, you can offer additional services like running ad campaigns or creating social media strategies. Earn money by promoting products you love. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make passive income. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can join affiliate programs through platforms like Amazon Associates or Commission Junction. Promote products on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media, and earn money as your audience makes purchases. Help businesses stay organized and on track by becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants handle tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer service. This side hustle is ideal if you're organized and detail-oriented. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great for finding clients, and you can work from anywhere, setting your own hours. Looking for something easy? Online surveys are a quick way to earn extra cash. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay you to share your opinions on products and services. While you won't get rich doing online surveys, they're an easy way to make a little extra money in your spare time. Sign up for multiple sites to increase your earning potential. Got something to say? Start a blog and turn your passion into profit. Blogging can be a lucrative side hustle if you're willing to put in the time. Start by choosing a niche you're passionate about, then create content that offers value to your readers. You can monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Platforms like WordPress make it easy to get started. Share your knowledge and earn money by creating online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell online courses. Whether you're an expert in a particular field or have a unique skill to share, you can create a course and start earning passive income. The key is to choose a topic you're passionate about and to create high-quality content that offers real value to your students. Here's a side hustle that's right on campus: reselling textbooks. At the end of each semester, many students are looking to get rid of their textbooks, and new students are looking to buy them at a discount. You can take advantage of this by buying used textbooks and reselling them online or directly to other students. Platforms like Amazon or Facebook Marketplace are great for listing books, but you can also sell them through campus groups or bulletin boards. With a little effort, this side hustle can provide a decent profit, especially if you focus on high-demand subjects. Got an eye for design? Turn your skills into a side hustle by offering graphic design services. Graphic design is in high demand, especially for businesses looking to create logos, social media content, and marketing materials. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients who need design work. If you're skilled in software like Photoshop or Illustrator, this can be a lucrative side hustle. Start by building a portfolio of your work, and as you gain experience, you can charge higher rates. Share your passion and earn money by starting a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel can be a fun and rewarding side hustle. Whether you're into gaming, cooking, or tech reviews, there's an audience for just about anything. Monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key is to be consistent with your content and to engage with your audience regularly. Turn your hobby into cash by offering photography services. If you're passionate about photography, consider offering your services for events, portraits, or stock photography. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to sell your photos online. You can also offer your services for local events or create a portfolio to attract clients. Photography can be a flexible and creative way to earn extra money. Here's how to maximize your earnings. Combine a few of these side hustles to create multiple streams of income. For example, if you're into graphic design, you could also offer social media management or start a YouTube channel showcasing your design process. The more income streams you have, the more stable your earnings will be. And that's it. 15 side hustles that my friends and I have tried and tested in 2024. Whether you're looking to make some quick cash or build something bigger, these ideas can help you get there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money in 2024. We'd love to see you back here for our next video, where we'll reveal even more insider secrets to boosting your income. You won't want to miss the next one, especially the tip that could help you earn passive income with minimal effort. See you soon.